A child starts learning long before they learn to read and write. Before learning from books, letters, or numbers, a child learns about the world through the body and these senses. They see, hear, touch, smell, and taste. In a Japanese Hoikuen or nursery school, this kind of learning is very important. Children get many chances to learn through everyday activities and real life experiences. The five senses are not taught as five separate subjects. Children develop their senses through daily life: play, walking, gardening, swimming, eating, and cleaning. First, let us look at how children develop their sense of sight. Children see many things around them: different colors, shapes, people, trees, cars, houses, and much more. In a Hoikuen, teachers often take children outside. They walk around the nearby streets and see traffic lights, shops, bicycles, flowers, cars, and people at work. A child may notice that a bus is bigger than a car. They may also notice that one flower is red and another is yellow. In this way, children slowly learn about colors, shapes, distance, and the differences between things. Swimming can also help develop their ability to see and observe. Children may look for objects of different colors and shapes under the water, find them, and bring them up. Activities like this help improve their attention and observation skills. In this way, the world around the child becomes their classroom. Now let us talk about hearing. Children hear songs, people talking, birds, rain, cars, water, and many other sounds. While walking outside, they may hear a bicycle bell, a car horn, birds singing, or people talking. While cleaning, they may hear the sound of a broom moving across the floor or water running from a tap. Slowly, children learn the difference between loud and soft sounds. They also begin to recognize different sounds and understand where those sounds are coming from. By listening carefully to teachers and other children, they also learn language, communication, and how to behave with others. Next come touch. Touch helps children understand many things about the world. Wet soil feels different from dry soil. Wood feels different from metal. A fresh leaf feels different from a dry leaf. While gardening, children touch the soil, plant seeds, water the plants, and touch leaves and flowers. They also watch how the plants change and grow. These experiences help children learn patience and responsibility. Children also learn by holding things, carrying things, pouring water, washing, and sweeping. Even sweeping the floor can be a learning activity. A child learns how to hold a broom, how to move it, and how to move dirt from one place to another. Cleaning also teaches children to be responsible. Children can also learn to help keep washrooms and toilets clean. Of course, they should only do simple, safe, age-appropriate cleaning activities under adult supervision. Through this, they learn an important lesson. If we use a place, we should also help to keep it clean. Now let us talk about smell. Children smell flowers, wet soil, soap, fruits, vegetables, and cooked food. In the garden, they smell the soil, leaves, and flowers. While cleaning, they smell soap. At mealtime, they experience the smell of many different foods. In this way, children learn that different things have different smells. Smell can also help them remember places, events, and experiences. Finally, let us talk about taste. Eating together is an important part of life. In a Hoikuen, children sit together, share food, try new foods, and notice what other children are eating. They learn different tastes such as sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. They also learn that food can feel different in the mouth. Some foods are soft, some are crunchy, and some are smooth. Children may help set the table and clean their own place after eating. So, mealtime is not only about learning different tastes, it also teaches children to do things by themselves, share with others, and work together. The five senses work together. The five senses do not work separately. In real life, they work together. For example, in a garden, a child can see a plant, touch the soil, smell the earth, hear the sound of water while watering the plant, and later taste a vegetable from that plant. So, even a simple gardening activity can bring together seeing, hearing, touching, smelling, and tasting. This is one of the most natural ways for young children to learn. Early childhood education should not be limited to books, letters, and numbers. Before focusing on reading and writing, children should have opportunities to see, hear, touch, smell, taste, walk, grow plants, clean, share, and ask questions. Before teaching children about the world through books, we should first give them the chance to see, touch, and experience the world around them directly. Because for a young child, the world is the first book and everyday life is the first classroom.